Okay, so this one's a quick one. We're gonna load. We're gonna go on full load. Okay. That one. Okay. Now we just gotta wait. Okay. Now we gotta wait for cargo. Will we have enough speed for this? Find out in this video. I'm gonna use face cam. Okay. Wombatoes. Okay, no more. I'm not gonna use that anymore. Okay. All we gotta do here is just wait for this cargo thing. Okay, finally. Okay, ready, set, go. Slow. We have enough runway. I'm not too sure. It's Aero Sucker! The airline. Come on. We're not gonna have enough runway. Yeah, we're not gonna. Okay, will we? Oh, tail strike. Oh, no. Yeah, never mind, that was a fail. Okay, yeah.